Hey there. Hope you all had a great holiday. Had fun and all with your family. Kicking it. Having good memories being made. That's what it's all about. Yeah, just kicking it, you know. I'd like to thank Mario for Mario at the Dub Shop for this guy right here. Check him out. You need Mega Squirt fuel injection, turbocharged systems, supercharged systems. He will take care of you. But yeah, he got me some crazy lights so y'all can see what I'm doing. And I thought I would help you see what he's doing, you know. And just been tinkering on the bug here and there a little bit. Made a pattern for that. Where's it at? It's over here somewhere. Oh, here we go. It fits in right here. And I'll bend all that in and weld all that up. Try to see and do what I can, see what happens. There's my piece. I'm gonna cut it out of this. It's pretty much the same thickness of that breastplate. So I'm gonna give it a go, see what happens. But I just wanna let y'all know what's going on. I haven't done a video in a while. It's been the holidays, been running around doing a whole bunch of craziness. Might have a new beetle coming to the channel. Working that out right now. I hope that works out. It's gonna be a fun car. But share, like, subscribe, hit that cowbell so you get your notifications. And do that shit. See you later.